So I had this thought this morning as I was reading, and I just wanted to make a quick video about it. The thought was about cryptocurrencies and gold, and if you're in the space, you'll have heard all the arguments that cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all that, they are the new gold, and on the other side you have the people saying, oh, this is just a fad, it's a bubble. Gold is the standby, has been for thousands of years, and both sides kind of have a point. But what I realized this morning was that the huge rise that we've seen in crypto over the past 5 years or so is what we might have seen in gold had, or if they didn't manipulate the prices. Because uh, in the crypto world, it's at least as far as I know, the governments and the central banks have not figured out how to manipulate the supply like they have in the futures markets of the metals of gold and silver, whatever. There have been numerous documentations with the London Metals Exchange and spot fixing and all these kinds of things in the gold markets, and with the cryptographic nature of Bitcoin or any of the other ones, they just haven't figured that out yet. Now it's possible that with quantum computing starting to become an actual thing, that the encryption techniques that work today will be cracked in seconds, in the future. And should that occur, then I think we will see spoofing and naked selling and all the same kinds of games that they play in the gold markets as we do in the or as we would in the crypto markets. So, a large part of the rise over the past couple of years in crypto has been as a speculative, exuberance. But that's not all of it. A lot of it is also people in in cracking down countries, trying to escape their local fiat currencies. So, China has been in the news the last couple of weeks with them trying to crack down on crypto, and for years, Chinese people have been a big source of demand for crypto because, it was a way for them to evade the capital controls that the government's trying to place. And same things in South America with Venezuela, Argentina. Anytime there's a um, a place where the fiat currency is being devalued rapidly, at least in the last few years, or flexibility is being locked down, like in China, then we've seen a lot of crypto demand from those areas. On top of that, you just have the people who are into it for technical geeks who are just into it, and people from like a Austro-libertarian kind of background who like it from just a philosophical standpoint. Um, so you know I think we can look at crypto prices as a another vote on fiat currencies, just like we do with gold, except one that has less manipulation in it. So, are people like Jim Rickards right, where they say gold will be $10,000 an ounce because once the currency collapses, the manipulations will end, and in order to make the values work out, it has to be that if everything were priced in gold. Well, maybe, I don't know, but I think it's an interesting point to look at. So I don't think it's an either or between gold and crypto, but there's a lot of room for both and. Anyway, that's my thoughts for the moment.